Hello friends, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss about highest common factor HCF. First of all, what is HCF? Highest common factor of the given numbers as well as given algebraic expression. While talking about the numbers, the greatest number dividing the given numbers exactly is known as HCF of the given numbers. So while talking about the algebraic expressions, the greatest algebraic expression or greatest factor we can say which divide the given algebraic expressions exactly is known as the HCF, highest common factor. There are two methods for finding the HCF. We know that one is division method, another one is the factorization method. Here we are finding the HCF of the numbers as well as algebraic expression by factorization method. Mainly in this chapter, we find the HCF of the algebraic expressions. So it is by factorization method. We are finding the HCF of algebraic expressions by factorization method here in this chapter. I am taking one example, taking the two numbers 18 and 24, just to understand, just to build up the concept what is HCF. How we can find the HCF by factorization method. So let's start solving some examples to understand in a better way what is HCF and how do we find the HCF of the numbers as well as algebraic expressions by factorization method. So first example, we have two numbers 18 and 24. So 18 and 24. First we get the prime factors of both the numbers 18 and 24. 18 divisible by 2, 9 times, again 9 divisible by 3, 3 times, and this 24 also by 2, 12, and again 12 is divisible by 2, 6 times, and 2, 3. So 18 is equal to, we can write 2 times 3 times 3, and this 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So what are the common factors here between the prime factors of 18 and 24? The product of the prime factors is the HCF of these two numbers 18 and 24. So we can see here this 2, similarly we have 3 also common. So 1, 2 and 1, 3. So product of 2 and 3, it is 6. So we say that HCF of 18 and 24 is 6 because 6 is the greatest number which divides 18 and 24 exactly. That means the greatest factor of 18 and 24 is 6. So this is one example of arithmetic by taking two numbers 18 and 24. I hope it helps you to build up your concept how to find HCF of numbers by factorization method. Okay guys, let's take another simple example. The second one, it is 12x square y z cube and x y square z square. We have the two very simple algebraic expressions. What will be their HCF? We find it. Let's see. So first expression, it is 12x square y z cube. So factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3, and this x square, x into x, y, and z cube is z into z into z. Similarly, another expression, second expression, we have second expression 8x y square z square. So here also 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, x is x, y square y into y, z square z into z. This is another question, 6x square minus 9x. So, what are the common factors here? In this 12x square y z cube and 8x y square z square, what are the common factors? When we see the numbers, we have 2 and another 2, 2 into 2. While taking the letters, we can see 1x is common there into expression and 1y. 1x, 1y and 2 z's. 1, 2, 1, 2 z into z. So it is 4x y z square. So HCF of 12x square y z cube and 8x y square z square is 4x y z square. So everybody, I think you understand it. It is very simple example. Now let's take this third example also. In third example, we have two expressions, auxiliary expressions. One is 6x square minus 9x and second one is 4x square minus 9. So to find the HCF of these expressions, we factorize them first. By which method and expressions can be factorized? There are various methods for factorizing the expression. Somewhere we can use the formula, some we have the different techniques for factorizing. By which method it is possible? We factorize the given expressions turn by turn completely. Then after completion of the factorization, then we study, we see what are the common factors are there. Then we take all the common factors. If there are more than one common factors, we find the product of the common factors. That will be the HCF of the given expression. So what is our first expression here? First expression is 6x square minus 9x. So here we can take just common. 3x is common. After taking 3x common, we will get 2x minus 3. We cannot factorize it further. So we leave this. Then take the second expression. Our second expression is 4x square minus 9. This expression, you can see it is in the form of a square minus b square. Because this 4x square, it is square of 2x, and this 9, it is square of 3. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, and it is a plus b times a minus b. We are using the simple formula here, a square minus b square, because the given expression is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b, 2x plus 3, a minus b, 2x minus 3. So 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3 are the factors of this expression, 4x square minus 9. So we have completed the factorization of both expressions, first expression as well as second expression. Now you see what is the common factor there. If there is single common factor or more than one common factor, we can see here there is only one common factor, 2x minus 3. Therefore 2x minus 3 is the HCF of the given two expression. Therefore HCF is equal to 2x minus 3. So in this way we find the HCF of the algebraic expressions. Okay, from next class we will solve more problems on HCF of algebraic expressions. Then after completion of HCF we will continue the LCM also. Okay, thank you, bye bye.